Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. The Urban Development Corporation UDC has promised a spectacular fireworks festival this year, boasting an event with style. Each year, thousands of patrons flock out to Rias Bay Beach, Kingston Waterfront and Harmony Beach Park for the annual staging of the UDC Fireworks Festival on December 31, and this year is expected to be no different. Ewan Simpson, General Counsel at the UDC and Chairman of the UDC Fireworks Festival Committee, told E-Prime that this year's event is anticipated to attract even more attendees than before.
On average, we see roughly 300,000 persons across all three locations. We see roughly 300 persons. That has moved to the left or to the right a bit, of course. When we just came back out of COVID, the numbers were a little lower, but we expect that with all the excitement brewing in the community now, in the island now, with us being back to normal with entertainment events, we expect to see upwards of 300,000 persons.
Simpson revealed that this year's fireworks display will feature a thrilling drone show, adding a unique twist to the evening's festivities.
You will see 500 drones that will light the sky and that will send messages that of course will inspire the Jamaican people and will help us to celebrate the year that has passed and herald the year that is to come.
In addition, he spoke to E-Prime on UDC's newly formed partnership with the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, JARIA, to produce a series of lead-up events.
In partnership with JARIA, we have been doing the activations at the Reggae Wednesdays jams, which are held twice per month, once at the second Wednesdays in Montego Bay at Coral Cliff, and on the fourth Wednesdays in Kingston at Festival Marketplace on the Kingston waterfront. And this is a partnership which has allowed us to see a lot of emerging talent and a lot of talent that we would not have remembered who were around before. And it's given us an opportunity to say, hey, now we remember, or now we see you. We will invite you to perform on the main stage.
The festivities will be hosted under the theme Style as part of UDC's commitment to sustainably transform the lived experience for attendees. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching. See you at Fireworks.